Hi, this is Bill with Kettle Moraine Heating and Air Conditioning. Our experts that predicted a blistering summer were spot on. What are those experts saying about the upcoming winter? Record low temps and Arctic conditions are in the forecast. I don't know about you, but when I'm cold, I'm miserable. Kettle Moraine Heating and Air Conditioning can prepare you for this deep freeze. Our super high efficient Lennox furnaces can drastically lower your bills. So call Kettle Moraine Heating and Air Conditioning today or visit kettlemoraineheating.com.